Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Madhyama Bharat Milap lesson 6 Saransh Ram ka Vanvas. So Ram is traveling to forest in this chapter. राजा दशरथ शाम को कैकेयी के महल में गए. So in the evening, King Dashrath went to कैकेयी's palace. कैकेयी ने गंदी साड़ी पहनी थी. So कैकेयी was wearing a dirty saree. उसके चेहरे पर क्रोध प्रकट हो रहा था. So in her face, she was showing a angry feeling. She was exhibiting angriness in her face. राजा दशरथ ने कैकेयी से दुख का कारण पूछा. So राजा दशरथ asked कैकेयी why she was sad. कैकेयी ने कहा, एक बार आपने मुझे 2 वर देने का वादा किया था. So कैकेयी then immediately started that she said the king, once you told me that you will give 2 boons to me. Do you remember? She was asking the king Dashrath. कैकेयी was asking the king Dashrath. आज आपने दोनों वर मांगने वाली हूँ. आज आपसे दोनों वर मांगने वाली हूँ. Today I am going to ask you 2 boons. I am going to utilize that 2 boons today. एक वर से राम के लिए 14 साल का वनवास चाहती हूँ और दूसरे वर से भरत का राज तिलक. So I am going to use 2 boons today. In that 1 boon you send Ram to forest for 14 years and you make Bharat as the king of Ayodhya. कैकेयी की बात सुनकर महाराज दशरथ बेहोश हो गए. So he fainted. King Dashrath fainted after hearing to कैकेयी's words. Whatever कैकेयी said, King Dashrath heard and he fainted. होश में आने के बाद उन्होंने कहा, भरत को युवराज बना दूंगा, लेकिन राम को वन मत भेजो. So he was very surprised and astonished the way कैकेयी asked. He requested. The king requested कैकेयी that don't send Ram to forest. I will make Bharat as the prince of Ayodhya, but you don't send Ram to the forest. मैंने उसके बिना जीवित नहीं रह सकता. So I cannot live without Ram. Without seeing Ram, I cannot live in this world. Like that, King Dashrath said to कैकेयी, to his wife कैकेयी. पर कैकेयी ने दशरथ की एक बात भी न सुनी. So she was not ready to hear anything from King Dashrath. She did not listen anything to him. Even one word also she did not listen to him. कैकेयी की निर्दयता देखकर महाराज दशरथ फिर से बेहोश हो गए. The way she does not have any kindness, being so hatred and does not spare anyone, this behavior made King Dashrath to faint again. दूसरे दिन राम को यह समाचार मिला. So next day the Ram was there in the palace. He heard this news that कैकेयी has asked all this thing to his father. उन्होंने पिताजी की आज्ञा का पालन करने का निश्चय किया. He decided to obey father by going to forest. He was ready for the opportunity and he was ready to go. He did not feel bad. He was very positive person. We know he is the God himself, Ram. Ram, we believe Ram to be our God, and he had such patience to spare Kaikeyi, and he was ready to go to forest for his father, for the words of his father. राम सब माताओं से मिले और उनका आशीर्वाद लिया. राम went to all his mothers and got blessing from them. राम के साथ उनकी पत्नी सीता और भाई लक्ष्मण भी वल्कल पहनकर वन की ओर निकल पड़े. So they wore the dress of the forest, whatever they will wear, and they were ready to go to forest, and they started going towards forest. राम, लक्ष्मण and सीता. यह दृश्य बड़ा ही दुखदायक था. So it was where the whole Ayodhya was feeling bad, and the whole situation was very sad situation, very pitiable situation, very bad situation, that the people of Ayodhya felt very bad and sad to see Ram going towards forest along with his family. प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. कैकेयी का दूसरा वर क्या था? So what was her next boon to ask दशरथ? कैकेयी का दूसरा वर था कि राम तपस्वी के वेश में 14 वर्ष वन में रहे. So कैकेयी asked Dasarath that Ram should go to forest by way of dressing as saint, leaving everything. Saint is he leaves everything, his money, his whatever he had, comforts, everything Ram should leave and go to the forest. That is what was the other boon that कैकेयी asked दशरथ. कैकेयी का दूसरा वर था कि राम तपस्वी के वेश में he has to dress himself as saint. तपस्वी के वेश में 14 वर्ष वन में रहे. कैकेयी का दूसरा वर था कि राम तपस्वी के वेश में 14 वर्ष वन में रहे. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, महाराज दशरथ क्यों बेहोश हो गए? कैकेयी के निर्दयता पूर्ण बात से महाराज बेहोश हो गए थे. The way Kaikeyi was so cruel and not kind to others made Dasarath to faint again. So कैकेयी के निर्दयता पूर्ण बात से महाराज दशरथ बेहोश हो गए. कैकेयी के निर्दयता पूर्ण बात से महाराज दशरथ बेहोश हो गए. The way Kaikeyi behaved cruelly with others made Dasarath to faint again. So these are the questions and the saransh of this lesson, lesson 6, Bharat Milap Madhyama Ram ka Vanvas. Thank you for watching. For other lessons you can go through my YouTube playlist. I have separate playlist Madhyama Bharat Milap playlist. You can go through that. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. Thank you.